What's up guys, it's Chicago here today, back again with another video, and this time it's not a mod review, it's a custom car review on the gavril Road Sport. And this isn't the stock version of what you would normally get in the vehicle selection. This is a customized version that I made. So the base is just the regular Road Sport, but I've added a couple things to improve the performance, and I've removed the exhaust, so it sounds very nice. Also, truck nuts. Yeah, it's hilarious. So, what I essentially did with this car is that I added a better engine. I've removed the rear seats, added a roll cage, and a big nose bottle. Other than that, yeah, just better engine, no exhaust, different wheels. But everything else is just the same. So, this is kind of a sleeper. And yeah, it can go pretty fast, but it has overheating issues. So we'll go ahead and move this car to somewhere where I can actually use it right now, and I'll give you guys an audio outlook for this. See how test out your opinion on how this sounds. So it's very nice. And just like that, I've already crashed it. I am not a bad driver. I'm a great driver. Also, I've been wanting to test this. Putting this car upstairs. So, hopefully this shouldn't be too loud, so you can still hear my microphone. Go ahead, take that front bumper off. Jeez. There you go. Okay, and just, yeah, you can see already there's overheating issues, like I said earlier, so there's still a few problems with this car, but this is basically the final version. We can open up the hood from the inside, and then we'll go window, check out the hood, and the engine that I put in there, very nice. Stage 3, I think, supercharger right here. Yeah, it should be stage 3. Yeah, a lot of custom things, better radiators, stuff like that. This is just a race model of the original Road Sport. So we'll go ahead, give this a drive, see what you guys think about it. It's very nice. Oh yeah, and also, the reason I chose this car and why I like this car so much is that it looks almost exactly like the car that I drove, like when I was 11 years old. The car that I drove for the first time, the Isuzu Panther from 1997. The Isuzu Panther High Sporty. So that's like the best trim version of that car, and this is almost exactly like it. So I made this one custom. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and give this a drive, see what you guys think. Also, I might pop in an image of the car I was just talking about, if I can. So yeah, let's go. Turn on the NOS here. Nitrous. And I'm gonna crash. Yay. Oh, we can still go because obviously this is a tough car. Sounds very nice as well. So let's go ahead and eat it off the cliff. And I've over-torqued the engine. So I've already given it damage. You can see. Yeah, so those are probably the main problems of this car. One of them may be possibly not enough grip, but that's just regular in a lot of cars. Over-torquing risk in in the engine damage thing, and overheating. So those are just the main problems of this car that I haven't fully solved, but I'll just leave it like this. I'll try and overtake the engine again. I need to take the radiator out. Go ahead, control, hold down control, and just flip it on it. Also broken my tire. So we'll just go ahead, take this hood out. Probably don't need it anymore. That's the radiator. Go ahead, take that off. And just, let it leak. And yeah, we'll just make it start having problems. Why not? Alright, you can see right there. Coolant overheated. Piston ring is damaged, so less power to the car. Go ahead and just show off. Yeah. We'll go ahead and enter the car again. And there we go. Officially ended it. I just thought I'd do like a police chase in this thing, like right now. So I think that'd be nice. So, police car. Yep, almost messed it up. Now, we'll set another car like this. So, we'll set the exact same car to chase me while I have Maxwell the cat in the back of my car. So, yeah. Yeah, there you go. There's Maxwell. Maxwell's also a mod. So, Maxwell's the only thing that's a mod right now. Other than that, nothing else. Never mind. So, I forgot the camera's glitched out on Maxwell. But, still a nice cat, so we'll go ahead and put him in the back of the car. I can do that without damaging anything. One. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. Exit brake. Alright, yeah, there you go. So one Maxwell in the back. Gonna have to try and take him. This is basically a mission now, so not a review anymore. Well, still a review. I think with every custom car review that I do, I think I'll do a chase or something special like that. So I think what I will do is I need to make this kind of far. How about I take Maxwell over here, so I need to take him all the way there. Yeah, I think that's good. So at the end of the pier. Alright, so that's nice. Now I have to spawn in another car to chase me. That car, I think I'll make that just the same car as usual as this one right here. So, wrong one. There's a V16, mod. Go check out my other video for that. Here it is. So we'll get another one of the Super Panthers to chase me. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So he has to try and, maybe throw me off a cliff, kind of like that. Okay. Oh, this is not good. I'm actually falling out the back. Yeah, I guess we'll restart this. Just do it every time until I can get this relaxed. So, yeah. This guy. And I'll stop you to chase me, so... Where's my actual gun? See inside. Not sure where Maxwell's gone. Where is he? Oh no. I think I've lost Maxwell. Lost him? Oh my god. Lost Maxwell. Sorry guys. Just get this guy over here. Where's Maxwell? Hello. Spawn a new one. And get the trunk open. Stuff like that. And obviously Maxwell's camera is glitched out. So I think I'll just grab it. I don't know. I'll put him in the back like that. Like so. Now we'll get the AI to chase me on. There we go. Get you to chase me. Oh my god, I better slow him. I've already messed it up. Oh my god. So if I can somehow throw them all. Come on. Is Maxwell safe? Yes. Alright, I think I'll go ahead and fix up that chase car. Okay, yeah, I need to run now. Oh! Oh no. I have messed up my steering like bad. It's coming from... Is he coming? He's broken himself. Is it possible to just respawn like this on Maxwell? Is Maxwell gonna fall? No, he's not. Let's go. Oh god. Oh god. Is he coming? Oh no, why did I reverse? Please deliver Maxwell. Safely as well. I'm not losing due to my stupid driving. Need to be careful over here. Is he still following? He's still following me. I hear crashing noise. Get him to respawn here. Oh god, don't tell me that's my fault. Oh, I'm actually still there. That's macro in his time. Oh god, I should get running. Oh god. He's still coming? He's still coming. Was it back there? Oh god. I'm getting respawned. Yeah, there's Maxwell, this is a problem. Yeah, that was a big mistake. Oh my god. Oh no, Maxwell. I gotta weld him. I gotta weld Maxwell to the shop here. Get up on me. Come on, Maxwell. Oh! You get off. My rear wheel is going. And I've over-torqued it, so this is taking a long time. Yeah, Maxwell here. Just get him to hang on to the top here. Let's go. Oh yeah, I know this is kind of unfair, but, you know, what can we do? Hold on. I'll get you. Come on. You can make it. No, turn, he's about to kill me. Come to kill me. Yeah, get out of here, man. Front right tire's not doing me any good. I'll just pin it just like that. Come on. I can hear him. Oh god. No. He's so nerve-wracking. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Go away. That's where I am. That's my destination. I can make it there without pulling myself out. And I have made it. Let's go. Definitely no cheating. Yeah, that was nice. Nice chase. Well, I think that's it for today's episode, guys. Don't copy my setup. If you do, I will find you. Feel free to, you know, comment in the comment section. Rate this car out of, 1 to 10. And I think the chase was pretty nice. So, see you guys. Chicago out.